Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be giving unit-wise important questions from DA subject. Guys, I have uploaded complete DA subject tutorials. I will provide link in description. You can watch from there. If you are watching this video for the first time, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. At first, I will give short questions. These are short questions from 5 units. Guys, whatever the questions that I am giving now, it will cover complete DA subject. Next, I will give long questions. These are long questions from 5 units. Don't buy hard these questions because you may get same question with different examples. So don't buy hard these questions. If you study these questions, definitely you will score good marks in your external exam. Thank you.